Welcome back to the welcome back guys to another video. Today we are going to be changing this rear light, this rear passenger light on a 2010 Jeep Patriot. We're going to be changing this out, because it's broken. Let's see. Bear with me, guys. Trying to get over this COVID, so bear with me. Still working on it. All right, here we go. Here's the replacement light. Here's the replacement. Yes, we'll be replacing this. So let's open the hatch up here. Okay, let's see. That looks to be right. Okay. But trying to get this screw to go down in here and pluck this out, but it's kind of hard. So what I'm gonna do is, oh dang, I even had it on. Trying to get this to go down here and to pluck these out. But this is a flathead, so I'm gonna have to do something with this flathead to make it more useful. Come over here. Trailer, guys. That's the trailer. Yeah, but right now I'm gonna have to cut a little. Cut a little slice into this flathead right here, but do not use your good flathead. If you do this, do not use your good flathead. Use an old flathead. Something that that should be good enough right there. Should be good enough to use. Hold on for a second. Yeah, huh? Please don't. Dang it, Mom.
At work.
Yeah, but what happened?
No, nobody was in it.
So
it was a non-moving car.
You hit a non-moving car. So
it was in a tight spot.
So what that mean?
Oh, nothing.
Did you talk to them?
Yeah, I talked to them.
What they say?
But the owners didn't pick their phone up.
They actually made sure.
We don't got it. It's their own insurance.
Oh, you hit somebody in your truck.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
But they got insurance though.
It doesn't matter, son. You might get fired.
Oh no, I'm not. You already talked.
Oh.
Yeah, a bunch of people be hitting cars. That's why he sent a message out saying we gonna use our insurance because people, mine are innocent. There's 3 cars that not moving, be hitting. But it's my first time hitting a car.
Still.
But no, it was because today was terrible. I had a bad helper. I did. I literally had a bad helper. She wouldn't get on the truck. She couldn't get on top of the truck because she's so short. She can't reach up there.
All right,
I
guys.
all day. I just got off.
Why you gotta call? Why you call? Oh, your cup.
Yes. She working. He be there. He didn't pick up. So I had him.
Y'all have an HR man. Why in the world would you call them on? That'll be cool. Who for? He's driving.
Oh, no, come help her. Wait, I can't help her. Most time I got it. I thought I had it. She even said I had it. I said I could. She said, yeah, and I bagged it up. Whoop. Get the car back. I was looking too, but I didn't. She's stuck. She even said, I was not for me. How bad it was. I always get put in my mouth.
No. Alright guys, I'm still here. Still here. It's our little bajig. Yeah, this. I think I got a Sony. Your mama got a Canon. She got a bigger Canon. See, we can flip that in there like that. Just like that. See, that's perfect. Perfect. Damn long on truck. You don't know what they call it. Yeah, you want to pull down something, just run it. Boy, they're going to throw it up to the car today. Yeah, they're going to throw it out, man. You might go do a good job, bro.
No, they're not. They say minor. They say minor damage.
Well, they the minor damage because they know I got hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, just that little thing. Alright guys, you saw that? Yeah, it fits in there just fine. Perfect. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. See if we can pull it out. Ah, these things are rough. Things are rough. Got it in here. Oh. Got it out, guys. Yeah, but there we go. That ain't bad, but it's bad. Let's get the one down here. What make it not bad is nobody was in it. Get behind there. Get on top. Oh my goodness, I'm taking the one off the bumper. That's a goddamn shame, guys. Why you ain't told me? Huh? What you say? What do you mean? Oh Lord, guys. Hey, put back, what up? So they should have taken. I don't know. There you have it, guys. Got it off. Huh? That's it. Alright guys, we got it all. Gotta try to make this quick. Take this apart here. Plug it, unplug. Then we unplug this one. See if we can take out a little jig here. This thing is plugged in. There we go. There we go. Pull it all back so. Throw it on the ground. Get rid of it. Huh? Okay. Okay, guys. Let's see. See if we can. You ain't talked to nobody yet.
No, I told him after the white man, I told him when I got back to the station, he called Chris and he picked up me.
Huh?
He called man on there, he picked up me. It's about these people on their own company. They don't care.
Hey. Alright, now guys, hook it back up like so. I think we're running out of time. Got a few more minutes and we'll be done, and it'll quite be done, right? And that's how you do it, guys. How you change passenger side tail light on a Jeep Patriot. With our little plug it back in. You know this one is broken off. Gonna plug that back in. Both of them plugged, gonna put that back in there. Even though it's broke, you can hold it. And there you have it, guys. Tail light is in. Throw it on the ground so you can put it in your trash can. This little jig works pretty good. Be careful if you try it yourself at home. Not for kids. Alright, not for kids. Alright guys, so we'll see you in the next one. Light is on there, it looks good. So we'll see you. Like, comment, share, subscribe. To everybody you know. And we'll see you in the next one. We're again in the yard, guys. The yard. Peace.